Welcome to our TNC channel. Today we are exploring the amazing place Dubai Creek Harbour. As we step onto this bridge, our day at Dubai Creek Harbour officially begins. The calm breeze, the gentle sound of water, and the stunning skyline ahead set the perfect tone for a full day of exploring. Walking across the bridge feels like entering a different world. A peaceful lakeside surrounded by modern architecture, open spaces, and some of the most breathtaking views in Dubai. This is just the start of our journey. And there's so much more to discover as we explore Dubai Creek Harbour on foot. Now we're making our way down from the bridge, stepping closer to the heart of Dubai Creek Harbour. The moment you come down, the place opens up beautifully wide walkways, calm waterfront views, and that refreshing vibe you only get here. Every step brings us closer to the lively promenade, cozy cafés, and those perfect spots where you can just stop and soak in the scenery. Let's continue exploring and see what this amazing place has to offer. As we walk further along the lakeside, one thing really stands out: the peaceful atmosphere. The neighborhood here feels incredibly calm, with quiet paths, gentle water views, and beautifully designed buildings surrounding the lake. It's the kind of place where people enjoy slow morning walks. Families relax by the water, and everything just feels balanced and serene. Dubai Creek Harbour has this rare mix of modern living and natural calmness, and it truly shows right here. As we keep walking, you'll be surprised by how beautifully this whole area is maintained. Everywhere you look, there's a natural touch of green, perfectly placed trees, fresh plants, shaded corners, and open spaces that blend seamlessly with the waterfront. It doesn't feel artificial at all. It feels like nature has been carefully woven into the design. This balance of greenery and modern architecture gives Dubai Creek Harbour a refreshing and relaxing vibe that's hard to find in the middle of the city. As we go deeper into Dubai Creek Harbour, there's just so much to see, and little surprises everywhere. Look at these fountains along the street. They add such a lively and refreshing touch to the whole walkway. It's small details like this that make the place feel vibrant and fun. Every corner has something interesting, and that's what makes exploring here such an enjoyable experience. Now we've decided to head up onto the pedestrian bridge, and this is where the real beauty of the lake begins to reveal itself. From here, everything looks completely different. The calm water, the skyline reflections, and the perfectly designed walkways all come together in one stunning view. Climbing higher, the view opens up beautifully. The lake, greenery, and skyline all come together. From up here, Dubai Creek Harbour looks truly breathtaking. Standing on top gives you a whole new perspective of Dubai Creek Harbour. It's peaceful, wide open, and simply breathtaking. This is definitely one of the best spots to appreciate the lake's beauty. Now, let's explore the other areas and see what Dubai Creek Harbour has to offer. Every corner brings something new, from scenic walkways to cozy spots, perfect for relaxing. Whether you're here for sightseeing, a picnic, some playtime, or a family gathering, Dubai Creek Harbour has it all. There's something for everyone to enjoy. It's also incredibly clean and fresh here. The whole area is well maintained, making every part of the walk enjoyable and relaxing. Now we're heading toward one of the most iconic spots here, the viewing point. It's the perfect place to take in the full beauty of Dubai Creek Harbour. The viewing point is one of the highlights of Dubai Creek Harbour. This stunning 70-meter-long structure stretches out over the water, giving you a completely unique angle of the creek and the city's skyline. As you walk along it, the view keeps getting better. Wide open water, calm reflections, and the iconic Dubai Creek Tower area right in front of you. It's designed almost like a floating walkway, making you feel closer to the water while enjoying panoramic views of the entire harbour. Whether you're taking photos, relaxing, or just enjoying the breeze, the viewing point is the perfect spot to experience the true beauty of Dubai Creek Harbour. It's also one of the best spots to watch the sunset. The colours over the water and skyline make this place even more magical. As the sun goes down, the colour of the water starts to glow beautifully, giving the whole place an amazing shine. It's one of those moments you just have to stop and admire. And by the evening, the skyline looks incredible. The lights, the reflections, and the calm atmosphere make this view truly unforgettable. Before it gets dark, let's explore a few more spots around here. There's still so much to see, and the evening light makes everything look even more beautiful. There's another viewpoint ahead, so we're making our way to the next spot. Each one offers a different angle of this beautiful place. On the way, you'll find plenty of restaurants, cafés, and entertainment spots. It's a lively stretch where you can relax, enjoy a meal, or just take in the atmosphere. Filled with date trees and beautiful plants, this area feels truly special. The natural greenery adds so much charm to the whole walk. This spot is perfect for a morning or evening walk, and it even has a kids' play area. Great place for the whole family to enjoy. People are rushing to reach the spot and catch the last rays of the sun. It's the perfect moment to enjoy the evening glow over the lake. We've now reached the main harbour, bustling with boats. The view is lively and full of energy, giving a true taste of Dubai Creek Harbour life. The harbour view stretches on, with boats gently floating on the water and the skyline in the background. It's a perfect spot to relax and take it all in. Now we're heading to the top of the viewing point. From up here, the panoramic views of the harbour and skyline are absolutely breathtaking. This is the panoramic view. Everyone comes to see the full harbour, sparkling water, and the stunning Dubai skyline all in one frame. The higher you go, the clearer the view becomes. The lake, the harbor, and the entire Dubai Creek skyline spread out beautifully before you. That wraps up our full-day exploration of Dubai Creek Harbour. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you won't miss our next adventure. See you in the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.